SD Sports right now.
Hi! Welcome to SD Sports!
We're a sports show about sports.
Yeah.
Spence, what's on the docket?
Another quarterback won the Heisman. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What was that?
I was getting butt
Seriously.
raped.
Was that butt rape? Is that what that was?
I got butt raped.
Didn't look like it. It looked weird.
Talk about Jameis Winston winning the Heisman, Drew.
I have no idea why he won the Heisman.
He
And
was
why
pretty good,
He was
okay?
good. Real good.
Real
good freshman. That's the extent of it. Okay? Manziel did better than he did last year. Okay? And he got 5th. Why, you say? Well, he was scoring around and stuff. Wasn't Jameis just in a little rape trial?
Rape thing.
I mean, I really don't understand. It makes zero sense. And then they go like, well, AJ McCarron got 2nd, but he threw for 2,000 yards less than Jameis and Manziel.
Okay, basically, the Heisman's a joke, I think. I don't even really like it anymore. Because it should just be called, here's the quarterback award. Because there are other good guys out there. You can't say, I know the quarterback is probably the most important position on the field, but you can't say they're the best football player.
And Trey Mason, too. Why was he there? Why? For one game, he ran for 300 yards? This is a joke. Really, he would have had like 1,200 yards, but he ended up with 1,400 because of the one game against Missouri.
Well, notice how many SEC teams were in it.
Yeah, that effing too.
Come on, NCAA.
This is getting ridiculous.
I like
Seriously.
the defensive award and I like the running back award. I'm starting to like them better than the Heisman award. That should be called Butthole Award.
Yeah, Butthole Award rewarded to Jameis. I mean, Jameis, you're good. He likes to rate buttholes. Uh-oh.
Too soon. So next year, let's have somebody else win it, like a frickin' D lineman that gets a bunch of sacks.
I will say this about Jameis, though. I think he's going to be pretty good. He seems like a hard worker, too. They showed a clip of him running like 30 yards downfield, blocking for his running back. And he laid a block. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, don't get us wrong. Jameis Winston is darn good.
Yeah, I just don't think he would be MVP. He's not MVP, and he's not like the best guy like outside of the locker room. You know what I mean? He's neither of them. You know what I mean? Florida State would be awesome without him. It was like a D's quarterback.
But that's just what we think. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also,
Follow us on Twitter and like Facebook page.
yeah, click subscribe right now.
Go ahead, go ahead and just do it right now.
Come on,
like,
baby.
So you like don't have to forget about it later.
Yeah. It doesn't cost anything. It's free.
Yeah, that.
Click
so yeah, that's probably a lot of people probably think it costs a lot.
It's free to
But
subscribe.
really, it's just free. I mean, so there you go.
Otherwise, leave it down below. Or don't. Well, apparently Jameis Winston
Put all that.
Well, apparently Jameis
Winston, what's wrong with you? What's going on? Are you having a stroke? Seriously. Go ahead.